Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the front and back cameras on the Samsung Galaxy A23 5G mobile phone. First, need proper tools to open the device, which are listed in the description. Next, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then begin the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option. Leave it till the process complete. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer to warm the edges. Be careful not to overheat, as this can damage internal components or the back cover. Next, use a suction cup to create a small gap along the edge of the back cover. The ideal place to use the suction cup is at the bottom of the cover. Carefully insert a plastic car pry tool into the gap and slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. This process will take time and be gentle with the internal components. Always use the tip of the tool to free the adhesive. Once the adhesive is free, gently lift and remove the back cover. Next, remove the camera lens and frame using a pry tool. Next, undo 16 screws in the mid frame and eject the SIM tray. Next, use a plastic car pry tool to create an opening to separate the mid frame. Be gentle and work around on the edges to free the plastic clips. This process will take time. While pulling out the mid frame, be gentle. The fingerprint button flex is attached to the frame. Next, disconnect the battery connector. Next, unplug the fingerprint button connector from the logic board to release the mid frame from the body. Next, remove the not working front camera from the logic board. The camera location is in the top center. Next, disconnect and remove both the not working macro and depth cameras from the board. To remove the wide camera, the logic board must be taken out from the body. Next, disconnect the two antenna heads and the LCD plug from the board. And then undo the screw securing the board. Next, gently pull the logic board and flip it to access the cameras. Next, disconnect and remove both the not working main and ultra-wide cameras from the board. Next, place and secure the main and ultra-wide cameras to the board. Next, place the logic board on the body and secure it by adding the screw. Next, secure the LCD plug and two antenna heads to the logic board. Next, place and secure the new macro and depth cameras into the board. Next, place and secure the new front camera on the board. Next, secure the fingerprint button flex. Next, secure the battery plug. Next, place and secure the mid frame by adding 16 screws. Next, secure the camera lens frame on the mid frame. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, secure the rear cover to the body using bonding clips. If bonding clips are not available, you can use rubber bands to apply even pressure. Leave them for some time to ensure proper bonding. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.